Are there rocking chairs in heaven where little babies go? Do the angels hold you closely and rock you to and fro? Do they talk silly baby talk to get a smile or two and sing the sleepy lullabies I used to sing to you? My heart is aching for you, my angel child so dear. You brought such joy into my life, the short time you were here. I know you are in a happy place and in God's loving care. I dream each night I'm rocking you in heaven's rocking chair. They say there is a reason. They say that time will heal. But neither time nor reason will change the way I feel. No one knows the heartache that lies behind my smile. No one knows how many times I have broken down and cried. I want to tell you something so there won't be any doubt. You are so wonderful to think of, but so hard to be without. I will lend you for a little time, a child of mine, he said, for you to love the while she lives, and mourn for when she is dead. It may be 6 or 7 years, or 22 or 3, but will you, till I call her back, take care of her for me? She will bring her charms to gladden you, and should her stay be brief, you will have her lovely memories as solace for your grief. I cannot promise she will stay, since all from earth return, but there are lessons taught down there I want this child to learn. I have looked the wide world over in search for teachers true, and from the throngs that crowd life's lanes, I have selected you. Now will you give her all your love, nor think the labor vain, nor hate me when I come to take her home again? I fancied that I heard them say, Dear Lord, thy will be done. For all the joys the child shall bring, the risk of grief we will run. We will shelter her with tender nets. We will love her while we may, and for happiness we have known, forever grateful stay. But should the angels call for her, much sooner than we planned, we will brave the bitter grief that comes and try to understand. Go ahead and mention my child, the one who died, you know. Don't worry about hurting me further. The depth of my pain doesn't show. Don't worry about making me cry. I am already crying inside. Help me to heal my releasing the tears that I try to hide. I am hurt when you just keep silent, pretending she didn't exist. I would rather you mention my child, knowing that she has been missed. You asked me how I was doing. I say pretty good or fine. But healing is something ongoing. I feel it will take a lifetime. Mommy, please don't be sad. I miss you so much too. It's beautiful here, but I worry a lot about you. I sleep with angels watching me. There is only love up here. I am never lonely or afraid because God is so very near. I never cry or hurt myself. I see Grandpa every day. I play and laugh and sing a lot. And I hear you when you pray. Please, Mommy, don't be mad at God. You see, He loves me too. And even though you are not with me, I am really still with you. To move on is to put something behind you, forget about it, and never look back. To go on is to forever carry it forward with you and never forget. A bereaved parent will never move on. We simply go on.